Good morning mga koys. Pag-usapan natin today yung no plate, no travel policy ng LTO. So July 2024, nagbigay ng memorandum sa LTO na for motor vehicles purchased January 2023, pwede ka lang magagamit ng temporary plate with MV file only up until 15 days. So after 15 days, dapat naka-original LTO plates ka na. I-differentiate muna natin yung temporary plates with improvised plates. So sabi dun sa memorandum, improvised plates can only be used if yung original plate mo is lost or mutilated, meaning damaged. So while waiting for the replacement LTO plates, pwede kang gumamit ng improvised plates until mabigay yung duplicate. On the other hand, yung temporary plate naman is it shows the MV file. You can use this if meron ka ng assigned plate numbers pero wala ka pang original plate. So pwede ka magpagawa ng temporary plate with the MV file. Which on the new memorandum, you only have 15 days to use it. So after that, mahuli ka na talaga. And ilang days na lang, September 2024, i-implement na nila, start na nila mag-start na sila manghuli. So pasok tayo dun, na-purchase natin to after January 2023, and I'm still using temporary plate with the MV file. So pag sa checkpoint, mahuli talaga ako. And sayang naman yung fine. I believe warning ata yung first offense. And ang gagawin ni LTO is pipicture nila yung ORCR and i-check if asa na ba yung original plate numbers, kasi based on their database, for motor vehicles purchased January 2023, dapat naka original LTO plates na-release na nila. So if hinuhold ni Casa yung original LTO plates, mafa-fine sila. First offense is fine, second offense is fine, third is fine with suspension, and fourth offense is revocation ng nila, license to operate. Pero if LTO finds out na if LTO finds out na yung fault is kay rider, hindi nakabit, nabigay na kay rider pero hindi pa nakabit, may fine yun, which is 5,000. So yun yung ano natin today, no? Yun yung pupuntahan natin today sa LTO Kawit. Sana umabot. Check natin if meron na ba akong plates na kay Casa or wala talaga. If wala, then maybe we can ask for an authorization to use temporary plates muna. Kasi pag sa checkpoint mahuli talaga ako. And yung ibang nagche-checkpoint is baka hindi well informed sa new guidelines. Kaya for peace of mind and ma-avoid ang hassle, tingnan natin, no, sa LTO. And tinanong ko na rin naman to sa kasa, wala daw. Punta daw ako sa LTO. So malalaman pa lang natin later. So if you're like me na purchase ang motor vehicles after January 2023, magtanong na kayo sa kasa, no? Or pumunta na kayo directly sa LTO mismo to check. May website sila, pero nung chinek ko, wala naman lumalabas. So I'm not sure if I was doing it right. So mas okay if in person, no? Sana talaga umabot. So I hope may natutunan kayo today for today's video. Until next time, thank you for watching.